Hello and welcome to Busy Corporate Girly Work From Home blog, where the to-do list is longer than my attention span. But anyways, welcome to my cozy chaos. Of course, first things first is bathroom and skincare and getting all ready for my run and for all of the morning activities. If I don't do this straight away after waking up, if I don't go to the bathroom, turn on the light and get myself really ready for the day, let me just say that it's not going as planned, because I end up laying on the sofa or being like, okay, I'll just go to bed for 1 more hour because I feel a bit tired. But when I cross the door to the bathroom, it's gone. We're doing it. We're doing it 100%. Of course, somehow my phone wasn't charging at all this night. It's 0%. I can't turn on the music. I can't check what I need to check there. And yeah, I'm just sitting here with a very, very bad charger plugged into it, and it's 0%. I also needed to go to my friend's apartment because they are on vacation, and to water her plants. And I have the code to their apartment block in my phone, in our messages, and I also can check it out. So well, I guess we just need to go with the flow, and I would just go for a run without music. I always get such a rush of feelings, of energy when I just go out here. And it's so sunny like today, and it can be not even warm. I don't need that. No, I'm lying, I need that, but I don't need that much, when it's sunny, when I can turn my face and see this. I'm the happiest human alive. I don't need much. Is it that hard? Getting back to the topic of my phone quickly, what actually happened there? I have one of those cable holders, so I had it on view so I could easily connect it to my phone, and I did connect it. So it was connected really well, but it wasn't charging because there wasn't a plug. I took a plug a day before to charge my iPad and I didn't put it back, so it couldn't have been charging. But yeah, I got to know about that in the evening of this day when I tried to connect my phone again, and I was like, wow, it's not charging again. So yeah. But anyways, the run was amazing. The weather was so beautiful. The sun was shining. The sky was beautiful. And I always do this. I come back to my apartment block, and there is a little bench there, and I just sit there trying to catch some more of morning sunlight. And this is exactly what I did here before coming back home and, preparing for the workday. That gives me just so much energy. Of course, after I came back from my run, I decided to take a shower, and I also really wanted to wash my hair. I just feel so much more confident when my hair is clean. I don't know if you heard about this theory, but there is a theory that hair is the outfit. And I am completely for this, because every time I just have my hair done or just washed, not even made somehow specially, just blow dried, I'm just feeling so much better. I've been using this LED stick, which is a dupe for the Medicube one, and it's much more affordable. I really like it. I think it's working, but it could be also a placebo or just the time of the cycle when I look my best. But yeah, just doing whatever to fight my acne even more than I'm fighting already. I never thought I would say this, but actually waking up earlier in the morning really makes me more productive. And I don't want this to sound like this one of these old people who are just like promoting something because it's popular, but I actually have such big benefits from waking up earlier. I am becoming so much more productive when I just wake up earlier, because I have time to think. I have time in silence with myself and my own thoughts. So it was really incredible journey for me to start waking up earlier, although I'm not always consistent with this, and it's a problem because when I saw the difference in productivity of me waking up at 7 a.m. and doing all the stuff I need to feel good before my work time, and me waking up at 8:50 and making some small tiny breakfast in 10 minutes for me to start work then and be productive and remember everything that I need to do, and it just doesn't work for me, you know. I think a lot of it comes from the work from home thing, because it's making the line so blurry between your personal life and between your work life, because you need to be in the same space and you need it for such different functions, like just chilling and resting because it's your home space, and at the same time it's your office where you need to be productive and concentrated on work. And sometimes when I wake up later, I'm like, okay, I'm just at home, and by the way, I'm doing work from home here, and I'm like being a bit annoying here to myself, and I'm like, oh, let's do this from my personal life, oh, let's edit a video a bit and then work longer, and that just makes such a horrible loop. And I found that waking up earlier just gives me this time to close all the personal life pop-ups that I have in my head that appear for this particular day, and I just can concentrate on work, and then I am in my office. Really, I am concentrated on work. This is my priority, and everything else is just, you know, I can do something by the way if I have time or if I have a break, not the other way around, and that was really helpful for me. Okay, I'm having some lunch here. My fiance warmed it up for me, and I was so grateful because I was really hungry at that moment. It was like 3 p.m. and I was so happy about it. I started dancing actually. So yeah, what do you need to have your girlfriend happy? Give her food. Nothing specific. But yeah, getting back into work, it was so hard for me because it's always the hardest time after lunch. I also just realized it was an angel number on the screen, 333, and as well on the other screen we had Rosanna. I recently started to watch some co-working streams while I work because it helps me keep the Pomodoro really working, because usually I would just like, okay, I'll just need to have some 5 more minutes to concentrate, and I just then was crashing out and didn't do the 15 minutes breaks. I was like, okay, now because I worked longer I need to, you know, rest longer, and it just never worked. But anyway, we are going to the doctor's appointment for me because I am checking everything possible with my acne. I am looking quite good here on these videos. Now it got a bit worse. I gotta be honest with you, your girl got a bit worse. But I will do a separate video about acne eventually. I promise you, like 5 times already. But yeah, we just went for some shopping. We needed some fresh produce, some nice food for meal prepping for the week, and we got some really nice strawberries, a very big bunch of them. So I was so happy. And yeah, we got a bit tired, so we went to McDonald's on our road back and we're watching Sidemen, just, you know, to have some time to rest. And only after that I started unpacking the shopping, and yeah, my fiance was so tired that he went to sleep. He literally fell asleep, but I'm not surprised. He's like this. When he has some worse nights, he is just falling asleep on the go, and falling asleep, like having some naps is okay for him. I never have naps. I hate naps. I don't know. I just feel so horrible when I fall asleep. I only do naps when I'm like ill or something. So yeah, I just got ready for bed, and I wasn't going to bed yet, but I just, washed out the makeup and got my hair ready and started the night shift. The night shift of cleaning the kitchen. I so much hate how quickly it gets dirty, especially in our tiny apartment. We have like 2 counters and it's still always dirty. House is clean. My fiance is asleep in the bedroom. It's raining outside and it's so cozy, and I think I will turn on some Netflix. I am currently watching some Ginny and Georgia 3rd season because it just came out, so these are so tasty. I don't know, why didn't I try them earlier? Look at this, how cute they are. It was a very fun day. Thank you for living it through with me, and I love you all. Bye.